In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Notion template in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to streamline your process, importing templates can save you loads of time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Notion. Open your browser and head over to the Notion website. You can do this by entering the URL or simply clicking the Notion icon if you already have it bookmarked or as an app on your device. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in with your Notion account. If you're not, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Now, once you're within Notion, you need to decide where you want to import the template. This could be a specific workspace or section you have set up. Having a clear destination helps in maintaining an organized space, especially when managing multiple projects or notes. Click into that specific page or section to get started, ensuring you're ready to access the functions we'll be using shortly. Next, keep an eye on the bottom right corner of your page. You'll see 3 little dots stacked vertically. This is your menu button. Click on it, which will open a menu full of useful options. Among these options, you're going to want to look for and select the one labeled Import. This crucial step allows you to bring external content into your Notion space. Once you've clicked on Import, an array of choices will appear, offering various methods of importing. For the purpose of this video, and likely for most convenience, you'll want to select Upload from your computer. This option will let you directly pull content from your local device and seamlessly incorporate it into Notion. With this selected, a window will pop up, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. This is where you locate the Notion template file you wish to import. It's helpful to have the file saved in an easily accessible location on your device, perhaps in a folder dedicated to Notion templates. Once you've found the file, click on it to select it. After choosing your file, the import process will begin automatically. This shouldn't take long, but the duration can vary based on the file size and your internet connection. Be patient, and soon enough, your template will be readily available within your selected Notion page. And there you have it. You've just successfully imported a Notion template, paving the way for more streamlined and organized project management. This method not only boosts efficiency, but also enriches your Notion experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips on maximizing your productivity with Notion.